Boys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but today we have a beautiful car. It's a Renault 5 Turbo. It belongs to my friend Kostas, so I came to see the car now that it's finished. It's the chassis, it's an original 5 GT Turbo, currently with 1.8 engine because the original one is for rebuild. It's NA and it's pretty strong. So let's take a closer look around the car. Everything is original except the engine, which I told you it's now for rebuild, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. So here is the car as you see it. Very nice work. We had a small dent over here because someone was making a reverse and he didn't see the car. We have these beautiful seats. The new dashboard, as the owner told me, is on the way, and the new roof from above. So as I told you, it's 1.8 currently until its original motor is rebuilt and back in the car. But also with this motor and this light chassis, the car is really fast, I have to tell you. I like these small hot hatches. They were the favorite things here in Greece back in the day. Everyone was putting Clio engines like this 1.8, and usually they turbocharge them. And they were spinning like mad things. So after seeing outside, now let's get for a small ride with this car. Τα πετάγανε, λέω, δηλαδή ήρθαν από εκεί που τα πετάγανε και δεν τους δίνανε σημασία το αυτοκίνητο. Και τώρα έχουν γίνει τις έφερε τα όλα, πιο δύσκολα από όλα τα αυτοκίνητα έχει γίνει. Και για τα ανταλλακτικά της συζητάμε ότι μέχρι να βρεις ανταλλακτικό ή αν ψάχνεις οτιδήποτε έτσι. Ξέρεις ότι αγόρασα και άλλο για να έχω ανταλλακτικά. Αυτό βέβαια. Έχω άλλο ένα, το ίδιο. Αλλά έχω ένα κινητήρα μόνο, γνήσιο. Εντάξει, πούπουλο. Το μάξι ρε πούπουλο. Όπο φίλε, μαλάφα. Ο Βαγγέλης ψήθηκε και μας βρήκε στον δρόμο. Ναι, ήρθε μαζί μας. Ο Βαγγέλης είναι ερωτευμένος. Είναι ερωτευμένος με το Renault. Όπο, εντάξει. Φτερός στον άνεμο και τελείως. Εδώ βλέπετε πως είναι 800 κιλά καρότσα με 1800 μοτέρ κυβικά πάνω. Ένα δρομάκι κι άλλο. Οι δρόμοι μας είναι εντάξει, δεν το ξέρουμε ότι είναι χάλια. Αυτό δεν διευκολύνει ιδιαίτερα. Guys, that was for today's video, so please like and subscribe. On the next video, when the turbo engine is back on this car, we're gonna go again for the measurement. Thanks for watching. We didn't exceed the speed limit and we drive safe to make this video. See you in the next episode.